Our journey on additive manufacturing started many years ago. We started with electron beam technology, we expanded into laser technology on the research side, and when we got to a certain level of maturity, we thought we could then start investing in the production side. And several years later, we've ended up with a really world-class facility for the manufacture of electron beam and laser powder bed components for the aerospace industry. The benefits of AM are almost untapped right now. We see it as being a really disruptive technology, and it's going to affect almost everything that we do within the aerospace industry. What we wanted to do is to learn how to make parts faster, better, lighter, cheaper, to benefit our customers and get those products onto a plane as soon as we possibly can.
When we took over the industrialization phase from the R&T group, we recognized multiple things that were of concern to us. Issues that we addressed with the AMPro was everything from the quality aspect of maintaining that powder, from recovery to requalification, the intense sieving operations that were involved in recovering that and then dispensing that back into the machines. We had potential contamination concerns from multiple containers from one to another, the risk of lost powder as a result of that handling. We've eliminated almost all of those issues as a result of the AMPro. What AMPro has brought to us is efficiency from the operator, from loading and unloading the powder, the safety aspects of where the operator does not come into contact with the powder, the risks associated with cross-contamination are almost eliminated. There is almost no manual handling of that powder throughout. Reclaiming and making sure that that powder is maintained within its quality life cycle is absolutely integral to us. The whole philosophy of additive manufacturing, in particular to laser powder bed, is that we recover and reuse and requalify that powder as many times as we can possibly do. And the system that we've been using has allowed us to make complete efficiency gains on those fronts. The guys are finding that they can do more processes in parallel as a result of having to walk away from the machine after powder's been recovered. So there's a time cost there, something in the region of 3 hours, I would say, or more on a full height build from the recovering of the machine. The operators obviously can now do stuff in parallel, so it's a double efficiency that we're seeing from the AMPro.
GKN and Russell have been working together for many years, and I'm really pleased to say that as a result of that collaboration, we've ended up with a fantastic piece of kit that's been in service now for over 12 months.
Initially, it was difficult to find a partner that was willing to not only provide something that was off the shelf, but also something where they were happy to integrate. We've covered various pieces of equipment, EBM, laser powder bed, and containerization solutions. Both parties are learning. It's been a collaboration from the beginning to the end, and it still continues to this day.